everybody, this is Mrs. Velasquez, and since Schoology is acting up, I thought I'd record a quick check-in video just to see how everybody's doing. If you logged into Schoology and were able to see the discussion conference option, you're not alone. I just called district and called our other e-learning teachers, and apparently that feature is not working as of yet, but that's okay. Reminder, it's our first team meeting, so what I did instead of that is I just simply created a discussion post. So to get credit for the team meeting this week, all you need to do is at least post one question or check in with your classmates. Part of the team meeting is I'm going to post some questions. I want you to have a place to be able to talk with me, but also I want to remind you of what's coming due. So if you check out your emails, of course you're reading your emails and your updates. Number one, I reminded you I did extend the deadline for week 1 assignments. So everybody can remain calm. You still have today and you still have tomorrow to complete week 1. Now week 1 is the Schoology orientation that's district-wide. So the scavenger hunt, the protocol for netiquette, those basic assignments are essential for all e-learning students. So if there's any questions regarding those assignments, I received most of the emails sending a formal academic email, Dear Mrs. Velasquez, and 1 or 2 lines. So if you already sent me your email part of your scavenger hunt, good for you. I'm trying to go back and email most people and responding. Number 2, I did open week number 2. Now reminder, underneath the grid of all the assignments, I have the assignments listed, and then directly beneath that I have a video that I'm recording, which is basically walking you through day by day, step by step, what needs to be completed. So this week 2, I kept really light because I want to make sure everybody's breathing. Schoology is giving us some curveballs, but that's okay. So for week 2, there's just a few things that you need to take care of. One is the weekly calendar. The weekly calendar right now, I'm still trying it out, is the Google form. So you need to open the weekly calendar and start thinking about when will you be tackling the weekly assignments, just little check marks there, okay? If you have any feedback regarding that, please let me know. Shoot me an email and let me know how that is working for you. Number 2, you also have the learning journal or the learning log. I changed the format. Again, I gave you some guiding questions, the roses and the thorns. So the expectation is that you're logging on every single day and you're adding at least one of those stems or reflective pieces. And by the end of the week, Sunday, you're writing those full body paragraphs. Okay, next on your list, you also have a letter, which is introducing yourself. Now, like I said earlier, a lot of you sent me the email, but the Dear Mrs. Velasquez letter is a writing piece I require of all my students in my seat-based and e-learning sections. And this one just gives me in-depth background, a little bit about your story, your learning style, your family, your sports. Again, a lot of you I'm really excited to work with. A lot of you seem like you're very active, involved. People have said they're in AVID, that they're in cheer, that they're in soccer. So it sounds like you guys have busy lives, and I just really want to get that information to get to know you even better. Also on your list is we're going to also try to introduce a little bit of history. So I posed 2 assignments for starting to talk about history. One, there's a short article that's talking about why history, what is the value of history, why do students need to think and reflect about history. The article, I'm asking you to annotate it as well as respond in the discussion post. And then number 2 will be our first flipped lecture. And the flipped lecture is kept, like I said, very short and sweet. I kept it down to about 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes time, you'll be able to go ahead and listen to the lecture, take notes, and then check in with a quick assessment at the end. Finally, because we all want to take a deep breath and have some fun, and like I said, don't get stressed out about the technology issues, that we'll figure that out as we go through. I do have a Flipgrid posted for week 2. Now, if you haven't done your Flipgrid for week 1, please go back to week 1 folder. And since 1.4, the discussion board wasn't able to record the audio, I recorded a Flipgrid. So you can check out my Flipgrid, and then I believe about 4 or 5 of your classmates have posted as of today. But it's really essential, folks, that you take the time to post your response so that way everybody can get full credit because you need to respond to other of your classmates. So the week 2 Flipgrid is a little more fun. It's not as formal. The week 2 Flipgrid is going to be the 3 truths and a lie. So I did post my example videos, so you can kind of take a guess. And then you also can, again, brainstorm, and we'll just play a little game, just a little icebreaker using this digital format. So again, I'm going to be online for about another, we'll say about a half an hour. I usually hold my office hours conference-wise about 6 to 7. But since we had technical issues, I'll go ahead and be around. Please know if you want to post on the discussions, the team meeting for week 2. If we're not able to attend the team meeting, I know some people email me there's a practice or something was going on, or if honestly you logged into Schoology and you didn't see a conference button and you shut your computer, don't do that. I appreciate all the people that emailed me and were sending me remind texts, so please keep that coming. That is not bugging me. That is helping me know what I need to address, what I need to tell district about to make sure you are supported. So that being said, please continue your questions. Thank you for watching this video. Check out week 2 resources, and we'll get through this, folks. We're going to be okay, and week number 2 is going to be fantastic. All right, have a beautiful, beautiful Tuesday.